I guess my favorite examples are those parents and teachers who've made AAC ubiquitous, right, in their lives and in their classrooms. And I think back 15 or 20 years ago. I know I'm dating myself here, but when I first saw some of the communication boards that Pam Harris made for her son Josh. She made them on kickboards, for when he was on the pool. Right in Florida, we spend a lot of time in the water, but this is when I was at Purdue in Indiana, and she was, in Illinois. Making communication boards and putting them on a kickboard, 20 years ago it must have been. And she made them on pillowcases for when he was in bed, and how generous she was in sharing those ideas and letting us share those images to inspire our graduate students and others. So there have been a lot of neat little sort of crafty and creative things, but really the ones that have most inspired me have been the people who have just made it present, right, throughout their waking hours.